Right, so here we are at TEGALLALANG. Not sure if I'm saying that right. TEGALLALANG rice terraces. So it's about a 15-minute ride up from the villa that we were staying at. And I just went to park on the side of the road, and this random woman was like, no, you'll get a ticket or whatever. So you have to, like, as you come in from UBUD, there's a car park on the left, just right up there. It's literally like you can see the main road from where we are. Yeah, now we need to check out the rice terraces. Alright, down here we go. Just see them over there in the distance. These are all swings that you can pay to go on and swing across.
Okay, we'll have a little wander.
Oh look! Oh, chickadees!
Proper like posing, and she had it. I didn't know if she saw it. It was at that.
This looks safe as. A bit of bamboo.
Yeah. Jazz hands. Don't push me. I'm gonna get you in Singapore.
It's called Singapore. Bless. These are the offerings that they put out, such as flowers and food and incense for the gods. Right, there's just a mini temple. How are we, guys? I don't know if you can hear me because of the scooters. But yeah, look at this sweat. We've just checked back into the Halaman hostel, which is the one that we were at first in UBUD. Just getting more, new SIM cards because we've run out of data. And then we're going to be off to some waterfalls! But yeah, I'm not sure where they are. Can't see where they are because we've got no data. Don't know what the jolly is today. But yeah, we've got no data, so we get some SIM cards. I think there's like 2 or 3 just like east of where we are. About half an hour's scoot. So yeah, should be good. How are we? I'm always so sweaty. So we are now at TUKAD CEPUNG waterfall, which I will write here because that's not an accurate representation of what it's called. It was about a 40-minute ride northeast of UBUD where we're staying. Nice ride, some big roads, so if you're not confident on a ped scooter, maybe don't do that. I'm sure you can get a car up here and it won't cost that much. But yeah, so this is meant to be like there's a couple of waterfalls in this area, so this is going to be one that's like, I think you go under a cave, so I'm pretty excited about that. With the guide to watch our turn, so we just chucked some ice up there. Righto, so we're at CEPUNG waterfall. This is the cave. I mean, there's like a few people here, as you can see, so it's a bit made for tourists, but not actually that much. Like, there's a few little stalls on the way down selling drinks and snacks and stuff. It's a pretty fucking long trek down. Like, probably took us about 15 minutes, but it is steep. Probably gonna die going back up there. But yeah, this is like ancient Tomb Raider style stuff. So definitely recommend this one. But yeah, done it! So we went left when we came down the steps, and little cave. Gone right because there's another little waterfall. Nice little cave in her. Ooh, creepy. The sandal of the last person that entered the cave. Ooh, it's kind of scary. Right guys, good morning. Yeah, so yesterday was the ride to TUKAD, finally said it right, waterfall. So yeah, definitely worth the ride. I forgot to say actually that it was 15,000 rupiah to get in, so it's $1.50 to get into the waterfall. But yeah, nice little day out yesterday. If you're in UBUD, I would definitely recommend those two places. The rice, like there's rice terraces everywhere, and some girl I was talking to yesterday was like, oh, actually there's better ones, other places that are less touristy. But I didn't actually, maybe it was the time of day that we went, I didn't actually find TEGALLALANG ones that busy. Yeah, it is a bit touristy. There's like cafes everywhere, and like there's the swing thing, you can swing across the... Yeah, I thought it was still really pretty. So yeah, rice terraces and TUKAD waterfall, defo recommend, defo on the list for UBUD. Today we are going to Nusa Lembongan. I think that's how you say it. I'm really bad at pronouncing everything. Which is an island just off of Bali. It's about, I think it's about half an hour to an hour boat ride. So there's Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and there's another one which I can't remember the name of. But yeah, we're going there, so that'll be in the next vlog.